This is Health 54, the program that lets you in on health-related issues across the 54 African countries and the globe, right here on your digital-first Pan-African News Network, TOS Television. I am Rose Audu, and you're watching Health 54. The World Health Organization has said that Africa accounts for at least 94% of all malaria cases in the world. This is according to a report presented by the WHO Director General Tedros Ghebreyesus at an event to commemorate World Malaria Day. He notes that children under 5 years in the African region contributed to 2/3 of global death from the disease in 2019. Ghebreyesus revealed that in 2019, about 29 million cases of malaria were recorded, out of which over 400,000 deaths occurred in 87 countries. He further said the emergence of COVID-19 in 2020 had led to the disruption of malaria responses, leading to a surge in deaths. Hospitals in the Indian capital of Delhi is at the verge of running out of medical oxygen, as according to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the country faced coronavirus storm overwhelming its health system. According to the Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister, Manish Sisodia, most government-owned hospitals in the city of 20 million people had between 8 and 24 hours worth of oxygen, while some private hospitals had enough for just 4 to 5 hours. Modi said the federal government was working with local authorities nationwide to ensure adequate supplies of hospital beds, oxygen and antiviral drugs to combat a huge second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. The World Health Organization again has advised countries, including Nigeria, to invest more in malaria program, as it plays a critical role in eliminating the disease. It added that most countries that have reached zero malaria records have strong primary health care systems that ensure access to malaria prevention, diagnosis, and treatment services without financial hardship. It noted that by the end of last year, 24 countries had interrupted malaria transmission for 3 years or more. Of these, 11 were certified malaria-free by WHO. The countries are United Arab Emirates, Morocco, Turkmenistan, Armenia, Sri Lanka, Kyrgyzstan, Paraguay, Uzbekistan, Algeria, Argentina, and El Salvador. The United Kingdom authorities have given a go-ahead to the public offices and restaurants serving outside England to reopen as planned next Monday, along with non-essential shops, gyms and hairdressers, as lockdown is further eased in the country. The UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson gave the directive urging the people not to be complacent in their dealings, but must adhere to all the coronavirus prevention protocols laid down in the country. He told the Downing Street briefing that officials were examining the potential role of COVID-19 status certificates. It has been confirmed that a factory in Tuesday making the new Novavax COVID-19 vaccine is set to make the 60 million doses ordered by the United Kingdom. Fujifilm Diosynth Biotechnologies in Bilhan began production in February ahead of approval for its use, which is expected within weeks. At least 300 people have started around-the-clock shifts at the plant. This is TOS Television Network, and you're watching Health 54. Do stay tuned. Welcome back. This is Health 54 on TOS Television Network. The Nigerian Center for Disease Control has reported 65 new cases of the novel coronavirus across the country. According to the daily updates by Center, the cases were recorded as follows: Lagos 41, Kaduna 6, Kano 3, Rivers 3, Plateau 3, and other states. Nigeria now has a total of 164,488 confirmed cases, with 154,441 discharged and 2,061 deaths. Kenya recorded new 1,441 recoveries from coronavirus in the last 24 hours, pushing the cumulative recoveries to 105,279. Mutahi Kuwei, Kenya's Health Cabinet Secretary, on Wednesday made the declaration in a statement that 1,370 recoveries are from home-based isolation care, while 124 are from various health facilities. The Cabinet Secretary said that the country recorded 965 new cases of the virus from a sample size of 7,311. The total number of cases in the country is now 153,488, and the cumulative stands at 1,618,990. Nigeria recorded 65 new COVID-19 cases and 0 fatality on Wednesday, according to a data released by the Nigeria Center for Disease Control. This makes it the 9th consecutive day that the country recorded no death from the pandemic. That has infected over 144 million persons globally and led to over 3 million deaths. With 0 fatality recorded on Wednesday, the death toll from the virus in Nigeria remains at 2,061. Russia has confirmed 8,996 new COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, up from 8,271 recorded. The new cases took the overall tally to 4,736,121, according to the Coronavirus Response Center. 8,996 coronavirus cases were confirmed across 85 Russian regions, including 1,190 cases without clinical symptoms. And Ghana became the first country in West Africa to deploy a system for the digital verification of COVID-19 PCR test results based on the African Union Trusted Travel and ECOWAS Biomass Standard. The Ministry of Health, through the Ghana Health Service, spearheaded the project, which aims to ease verification of COVID-19 test results to travelers. This is according to a statement signed by Minister of Health, Kaku Ajeman Manu. And scientists have discovered a new genetic disease which causes some children's brains to develop abnormally, resulting in delayed intellectual development and often early onset cataracts. According to findings by experts, the majority of patients with the condition, which is so new and doesn't have a name yet, were also microcephalic, a birth defect, while a baby's head is smaller than expected when compared to babies of the same sex and age. Researchers from the universities of Portsmouth and Southampton found the changes in a gene called coat protein complex caused this rare genetic disease. And that is Health 54 right here on your digital first Pan-African News Network, TOS Television. For more updates, visit www.tostvnetwork.com. Do follow and like TOS Television Network on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And remember to subscribe on YouTube. Stay with us and enjoy more programs on TOS Television Network. Also remember, health is wealth. My name is Rose Audu. Until I come your way again, remember to stay healthy. Thanks for watching.